Now it's hovering there. I'm gonna open the door because I want to fly it in. That's my challenge today. Come on, come on, you can do it, you can do it. Now once again, I'm really highly confused. Why the Welcome outdoors. I'm gonna fly the C138 Bell 206 Jet Ranger with optical flow, which they are calling it a pro version outdoors, and as it gave me a really nice optical flow performance indoors with Radiomaster TX16S, I'm gonna fly it outdoors with Radiomaster TX16S. Quite windy today, as you can see right here. It's quite windy. Look, this shrub is moving a lot, so you know how windy it is. So here we go. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So let's see in all these winds how it's gonna hold this position. All right, so I'm just gonna come here. See, the wind is actually taking it around, but look at that, it tries to hold its position. Barometer is acting up a lot, but overall it's actually doing its best to hold its position whenever there is no wind slap to it. All right, nice. So I'm just gonna bring it back. Mode 3 flight performance will be controllable only in mode 3 properly. So not going forward, I'm pushing full forward, and now it's going. It is quite windy for these helicopters, I can tell you, but I am really happy to see that's actually flying and handling all these winds. Look at that. And not only that, but also trying to hold its position. Nice. That was very close to myself. So flying outdoors, I can basically dial in more dual rates to control it outdoors. And as you have noticed, I'm also running very low head speed, but even then it's actually performing well. I'm having trouble going forward because all the wind is coming from there, but it goes forward, comes back at high speed because of the tailwind. And then as soon as I leave the cyclic, it tries to hold its position. So if I run higher head speed, maybe I will have better luck. As I mentioned in my video tutorials on how to set main rotor blade pitches and main rotor head speed is connected to that concept. So do watch that video tutorial on my channel, because I have explained a whole lot of what happens when you reduce the main rotor blade pitches and increase the head speed, and how these things are interconnected, and how to tune your head speed and main blade rotor pitch for windy days. So do watch that video tutorial on my channel. Apart from that, you're watching it, people. This Bell 206 Jet Ranger from RC Era, that is why it's coming highly recommended from my side, because you are watching it, how it's performing even on a windy day outdoors. Absolutely joyful to fly, man. Really joy to fly. Look at that. Despite of all those winds coming from that left side of me, it is flying very well and is still trying to hold its position with that optical flow on it. Now once again, I'm really highly confused. Why the optical flow works very well and solid, really nice with Radiomaster TX16S, but it doesn't work with stock radios. Maybe those stock radios are absolutely el crepo, el cheapo, man. I mean, I have no words for that. And now there's those radios coming out of the boxes and things rattling inside, man. Those are good on the holy tree of RC Era transmitters that I'm gonna build right here outdoors. I'm still working on the ideas how to best build that radio transmitter tree of those RC Era radios. So stay tuned for that video. It will come, that how I built the tree out of radio controllers from RC Era. So those radio controllers really, I mean, they do the job, but listen to me, people. If you want to enjoy a really nice flight performance out of your RC Era new helicopters, especially this Jet Ranger and you know, that C138, get yourself a Radiomaster TX16S. Bind it to these helicopter easily. I have a video tutorial on my channel. Set them up, tweak them nicely, and enjoy this absolutely joyful, stable flight performance out of these helicopters. All right, let's go indoors. Enough outdoor flight. I hope this video, complete video review of indoor and outdoor flight and my test results and my experimentation with this helicopter and different radios, I mean stock radio and Radiomaster TX16S, has given you enough insight on this helicopter and its flight capabilities. Now it's hovering there. I'm gonna open the door because I want to fly it in. That's my challenge today. Come on, come on, you can do it, you can do it, you can do it. That's a piece of cake for you, my man. And cool room. Look how stable it became suddenly indoors. So I'm gonna land it right here on the RC Era tower, next to RC Era tower. Beautiful landing.
Engine disabled.
Sweet. Check out my cyber drifter right here. Just a little bit of LED lights job and paint job, and this will be absolutely nice cyber drifter. Now it's time for me to rest. GoPro is almost out of battery. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. I will not be able to sleep tonight. I'll keep wondering why this is happening. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right.